This paradise isn't just for vacation photos, it's the reality for many island countries all around the globe. Most of them are located in the Pacific Ocean. Home to over 65 million people, these islands face a serious threat: rising sea levels. That's why we're asking this question: will these beautiful places disappear entirely? Now let's see the geography of this problem. Global sea levels have risen about 20 centimeters since 1880, and the pace is accelerating. The ocean is getting bigger and it's starting to swallow these beautiful places at a slow rate. Here's the deal: many island countries are low-lying, especially those spread across the vast Pacific Ocean. Even a small rise in sea level can have a huge impact. Some of these countries have an average elevation of only 4 meters above sea level. Imagine your favorite beach. A few extra centimeters of water could mean it's gone. Take Tuvalu for instance. This island country is basically a bunch of tiny islands spread across the Pacific. Rising tides and saltwater flooding are already messing with these islands' freshwater supplies. It is making it hard to grow food and get clean water. The water level around these islands is rising by 4 millimeters per year. But wait to count Tuvalu out. There are projects like the Tuvalu Coastal Adaptation Project, TCAP. They are building seawalls to protect critical infrastructure, but also settlements from waves and storm surges. Now, let's see Kiribati, another island country in the Central Pacific. Kiribati is much larger with land spread across 4 hemispheres, while Tuvalu is a compact group of islands closer to the equator. It is home to over 110,000 people. Kiribati faces a similar threat with an average elevation of just 2 meters above sea level. It's one of the lowest lying countries on Earth. Rising tides are already causing saltwater intrusion into freshwater supplies and eroding coastlines. However, the people of Kiribati are recognizing the value of natural ecosystems. Kiribati promotes the planting of mangroves to create buffers against storm surges and erosion. They are also acknowledging the potential for some islands to become uninhabitable. In 2014, Kiribati purchased lands in Fiji as a potential relocation site in a worst-case scenario. As we have seen with Tuvalu and Kiribati, low-lying island countries face a common enemy: rising sea levels. However, the specific challenges and solutions can vary. Places like the Marshall Islands and Solomon Islands in the Pacific are exploring similar strategies to Tuvalu, while island countries like Indonesia and the Philippines with larger land masses are also vulnerable to extreme weather events, like typhoons and floods due to climate change. The larger landmass offers more options for internal relocation. The point is, these aren't isolated problems. Many countries around the world share these or similar geographical challenges. By working together internationally, there's hope that these island paradises can survive.